Welcome back. So today we're going to be reviewing a really cool product, and this is very useful. This is the Apogee MQ-510 par meter and the wand that goes along with it. Now this is a very effective and efficient way to measure light intensity when it comes to coral growth. Honestly, this may be the only model that gives you accurate results, so let's get right to it. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to open the wand. There it is. This is where you clip the sensor. Put that aside. Here is our par meter. Oh, and it looks like there's a battery. And the sensor, which has a cap. So I'm going to replace this battery and get to my 60-gallon reef tank and show you guys what this does and where coral should be placed. So let's get right to it. Alright, now here we are. I'm going to start at the surface at the very middle. We're at about 420. Right when we get to some of these acropora, we're at 350. About 200 on the edge here, 250 where the monopora is, in the very center here, about 400, 350, starting to come down on the edge here where this frog spawn is at 175, 100 towards the back here on the ledge where I'm getting ready to add something, we're at about 70. Toadstools at about 85, about 80 right on that ledge, about 65 down here on the bottom. See, the glass does help reflect it, so you would be surprised that it started to actually climb up as I get to the edge. 70. These zoanthids here are at about 100. Duncan corals at about 120. Blastos at about 70. Definitely put some on this ledge in here where it's 50. This Fabia is at about 80. Tip of this chalice is at 100. The very back is at about 20, believe it or not.